Is that a good boy? Wait, sit. Shake. Yes, shake with your other paw. Nope, fine, don't do it. Oh. Yeah, I see you shook her hands with both paws.
Yeah, I'm taking a shower.
Are you gonna dance? You just took a shower.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I just brushed my hair because there's conditioner.
Oh, okay. It's going on YouTube, Cindy.
You go dog out. You hurt me. Good dog.
Good boy, Tank. Arr. Pop. Ah. Ah. Take it, the monster dog. Pull us out, pull us out. You play with him the same way I do. I always twist his head in like 5 circles. Oh. I've only knocked out 2 of his teeth since we've had him.
Only? Oh God.
Oh, I forgot what I came down here for, but I guess I'm going back upstairs.
Okay.
Bye, Tank. Bye, Tank.
Bye.
You can't just say bye to the dog. He has...
No, I'm trying.
Bye, Tank.
No. What is there? Oh!
We'll get out of here in a second.
Oh.
Oh. Krista's probably here. That's the only reason I could think Max is barking for. Bye-bye, Tink. Bye-bye, baby dog. Bye-bye, baby.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, bye-bye. Alright, let's go.
Hi.